Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies in oven toaster, only ways. Preheat the oven toaster to 350 degrees F and prepare a small tray with parchment or foil. Combine rolled oats, flour, sugar, softened butter, 1 egg, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir until evenly mixed, then spoon dough into uniform mounds. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes until edges are golden and centers are set. In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies in oven toaster, only ways. Gather 1 cup rolled oats, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup softened butter, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Optionally add 1 teaspoon cinnamon or 1/2 cup raisins or chocolate chips. Mixing dry and wet ingredients separately helps avoid overworking the dough and keeps cookies tender and chewy after baking. In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies in oven toaster, only ways. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you stir and bake, and it fits neatly on your counter without spills. It's handy between batches and makes kitchen cleanup breaks easier and more refreshing. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and hit like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies in oven toaster, only ways. Cream the softened butter with sugar, then beat in the egg until glossy. Fold the dry mix into the wet ingredients just until combined to avoid dense cookies. Scoop even dough mounds onto a lined tray about 1 inch apart to allow for spread. Bake until edges turn golden, then cool briefly on the tray before transferring to a rack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.